Good day guys. How are you guys? We have a Samsung top load control for automatic washing. The brand is Samsung. This is a Samsung brand Diamond series. This is a top load washing machine. And that is the control. The problem is the display is half. See? Let's try to check. This is the power button. The power button is working, but the display is not good. It's only half display.
Overload ay
Some other function not working properly. See? It must be like this. Only one. It must be not working properly. I opened the cover of this control and then I found out that the IC is this IC is too much getting hot. See? This is not normal. That's the indication that this IC is getting hot, getting too much hot. This is the problem. Because of that, I decided to replace the control because we don't have that parts. It's better to replace the whole control, but it ups to you. If you have parts, then replace this IC. This is IC is for display and controls. See, and this is the system IC. This is the display IC. This is the system IC. I'm gonna show you the Samsung top load. So we replace the control. Much better than to repair because IC is not available guys.
sir, simulan ba?